Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a guy Pinto hapa manze. Na leo niko hapa na Mwaora model.
The only teacher in town.
Yeah, ni model wetu guys. As you can see, tuko huku naitwa. Nikumbushe jina teacher ulituleta wapi? Huku ni?
Huku naitwa Dar es Salaam. Tuko Dar es Salaam. We are just
Tanzania jamani.
Hata
Kiswahili chetu cha badilika. Yeah, now
before hitting Barak.
Yeah,
we need to explore and see how the country says, guys.
Guys, hapa tuko na some fucking lovers here.
Wow.
Unaweza they are coupling.
And here is our director.
Our director pia unaweza muona hapa.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm not the director.
You're the director's what?
I'm the director's assistant.
Oh. So guys, manze, stay tuned. Keep up with me. Keep up with my life. Keep up with my teacher. Keep up with my director. And manze, we are going to give you good things, guys.
And I'm not the teacher.
When in terms of content wise, in terms of vibes, like you guys, you know, guys, you know us, right? You know, we are the vibe and you are the prize. Hello.
Come back.
In Kenya, we say, like, for the people watching us from UK, Australia.
In Kenya, we say Trawapenda. Trawapenda.
Trawapenda. So in Kenya, we say, zetu zetu easy. Our sours. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I get paid. Nilipe rent. to support our content. To support our content, guys, send funds. Send funds.
Free things.
We love the cash. Yeah, and also you can come also visit here. Tumeambia tuko wapi mwalimu?
Australia.
Tuko Tanzania.
We are in Tanzania.
We are exploring.
So guys, we have this model here. It's a 1917 model with 2 turbos. No, kwa hii vlog we don't cut. Inakuanga raw and unfiltered.
Raw and uncut.
Raw and uncut, guys. Thank you. Someone is following us there, guys. We are so tensed. Our life is